Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Today I want to show you a couple other things I picked up at the coin show that I went to this weekend. Some of the things I was looking for was some supplies, and I picked up a few boxes for my coins. I want to first show you this mint box. This is what they call a monster box. This is what the American Silver Eagles ship from when the mint sends them out to their vendors that can purchase the American Silver Eagles. They send them out in boxes of 500, and this is one of those boxes. Now I'm very limited by my camera angle and where it's positioned, so I'll try to give you a better view of it. But you can see here it's got some symbols on it: Treasury of the United States Mint, and then this basically the same stuff but upside down. Now I'm curious what this number means on it. Be interesting to trace back this written number on there and see if it means anything in particular. But anyway, it's what they call a monster box, and again, 25 rolls of 20 coins fit in this box. So many of you follow Big Stack McGee. This is the same box he's trying to fill up. A monster box with a monster project. Well, I'll tell you, he's getting really close. Very impressive. I'm nowhere near that. In fact, I'm not really sure where I'm at. I'm going to have to dig out my American Silver Eagles and take a look because I keep them stored in different places, different locations. So I'll have to get them all together and see where I'm at. But I can tell you it's not anywhere close. But it's one of those goals we can work on. So let's take the lid off, take a look. So inside you have some inserts. And it's cool that this box has those inserts. So what happens is they put the roll right here, inside here. And let me grab a roll here real quick. I should have grabbed one before I sat down. But okay, so here we go. Here's a tube of American Silver Eagles. And I've got them in the same tube that they ship from the mint in. You can see here the same, it's upside down. It's the same symbol as what was on the front of the box. Treasury United States Mint. And so there's actually another insert down here as well. So we take it out, then it's just a box where they have these inserts in here. So you put your roll here, and you come through and you just start filling them up. So they go 3 across, 4 down. So you have 12 on this side, and you have 12 on this side, right? And then this one right here in the middle gives you 25. So that's how they come from the mint, with 25 rolls in them. And then this other insert that we pulled out of here goes on top of the rolls to hold them in place, like this. Right? You put that on top, and then you put the lid back on, and that's a monster box. So didn't pay much for this from the coin show. I'm pretty happy about that. That's why I bought it. And this is really cool to be able to fill up and even have these inserts for the inside of it. So anyway, that's one of the boxes that I bought today. Let me go ahead and get this back together and move it here. And then the next box I bought, which I hadn't bought before, it's going to be my first time having one of these, is the boxes that hold the 50-cent pieces. Now I've got the quarter boxes and I've got the dime boxes, but I don't have the $half boxes. Now I don't focus a lot on the $half because of the premiums associated with them, but I still pick them up and I still get some once in a while. I just don't really focus on them. So this is this cost me $8. I think it's about half price from the last time I looked on Amazon. So coin shows are a good place to get supplies. And so I do have some $half that we can put in here. So let me open up my box. So what it's going to be is going to be, one like that. One like that. So I'm not sure if these are the right size tubes for these boxes. These boxes seem to like a certain brand name of tube. But you can see here that I've got 6 full tubes of $half. Those fit in there pretty nice. That worked out very well. They're nice and even along the top there. So the top is going to fit very nicely on it. So I've got 6 of them. Looks like it takes 28. So there's 28. It's kind of a weird number. That's why I double counted, but looks like it takes 28 rolls, and I've only got 6. So again, I say only. It's nice to have 6 full tubes of $half. But you know, like I said, I don't focus a whole lot on picking these up. I should probably spend a little bit more attention because they're pretty cool. But you can see here, I've got different ones. These are all Walking Liberties. This roll is. And so there's 20 in a tube. And so that's nice to have a tube of those. Let me see about this one here. What's in this one? Let's just check it out here real quick. These are all Kennedys, 1964s. So that's pretty cool. So these are going to be all 90%ers. I don't collect 40% silver. So I don't have any 40% $half. So anyway, that's a second box I bought today from the coin show. Very inexpensive, and now I've got a nice place to put my my $half. And then finally, guess what, folks? Recognize this box? I bought another dime box. Because you know why? Because my first dime box is full, and I need to start another one. Now I've been trying to focus more on quarters instead of dimes, but you know, when you have deals from Monument Metals where they're going to give you 2 rolls for spot, how can you not buy them, right? So I've got some more rolls to start putting in here. So got 1 roll, 2 roll, 3 rolls. So look at that. I've got 3 rolls already started towards my next dime box. And again, I'm going to try hard to focus on the quarters and $half before I get to dimes, but dimes are readily available, and a lot of times when it says denomination varies, they send you dimes. So I'll take the dimes. Dimes are great fractional. I have no problem with dimes. I'm going to keep building them as they come. But only 3 rolls so far towards the new dime box. But I'm really happy that I was able to get another one again. Very cheap at the coin show, $8 for this thing. It does seem to like these particular tubes the best. These are called Numis. Let's see if I can get on the screen. Probably not. Numis. Numis tubes. And again, they're cheap, they're flimsy, but they do the job. These are the ones that seem to fit perfectly. You can find a package of 25 of them on eBay for, you know, less than $1 a piece. I mean, they're really inexpensive. I think 25 cost me $8 or $9 or $10 or something. It wasn't much at all. I mean, it's part of your cost of your coin collecting. But anyway, so that's it for now. I wanted to show you the 3 boxes. Yes, I went to a coin show and bought 3 boxes. It was one of my goals while I was there. Necessary part of keeping the collection organized. So thank you for watching. I really appreciate it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, why don't you go ahead and do that now. Just go ahead and click on the subscribe button. And also, check out these video recommendations that I popped up for you. Got some great content in there. Go ahead and click on them and check them out. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.